folks, here we go again. Side of 17 on another one. Some fucking scumbags just don't move.
It's been like that the whole time we've been here.
Here we go now. Let's go now. Let's go. Every single morning it's the same old fight. Trapped inside a box trying to find the light. They build the walls up higher, say to stay in line, but inside this static there's a different design. Wasn't looking for trouble, wasn't trying to be fake. Just a soul with the fire in a limited tank. Now I'm breaking the cage, I'm tearing it down. Feel the shockwave coming, shaking the ground. Make it, own it, take it until the whole world knows my sound. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming through the speakers, taking over the night. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming with a new fire burning ever so bright. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm on every playlist, winning every fight, leaving all the doubt in total devastation. I can feel the change in the air I breathe. I can see a future they can't conceive. It's close enough to taste it now, so far from the person I used to be. What in the world is wrong with them? My mom and dad said I was born to win, so you won't hear no crying, no complaining from me, like on every other channel on the damn TV. So just sit right there, don't you touch that dial. Let me borrow your attention for a little while. I can show you a vision of truth untold, a story that is finally breaking the mold. Oh yeah, now I'm breaking the cage, I'm tearing it down, feel the shockwave coming, shaking the ground. Make it, own it, take it until the whole world knows my sound. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming through the speakers, taking over the night. think that I had to be kind? And will I make it to the finish line? Or will I fade away and leave it all be? Crack ignite. Crack ignite. Let's go! 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 It's all taking over. It's all taking over. It's all taking over. It's all taking over my soul. It's coming out of me. It's all taking over control. Let's go! Everybody, everybody, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Everybody, everybody, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Snap, crack, ignite. Everybody, everybody, let's go! Snap, crack, ignite. Everybody, everybody, let's go! Snap, crack, ignite.
million
lived up
people
here?
watching. No pressure.
More like 40.
Somebody's watching.
Somebody is.
Seems like he's up to it. I didn't sense any hesitation.
Well, if you ever need to tell a story, our YouTube channel, NAZ Roadside.
NAZ Roadside? You guys have a place to get like reviews there?
Not on the YouTube channel, but on Google.
Okay.
Absolutely. He'll get you a card. I think he even has a little QR code on his card where you can just scan it and it'll take you right to the page.
Oh, okay.
We'll have to work on that piece of rubber. Shouldn't be across the middle like that.
Check us out, folks.
Woo.
Oh, that's it.
You keep struggling with that to get it to loosen up. Oh, other jack's already out of there? Yeah.
Oh, that's it, bud. Don't break this one.
I appreciate you. Thank
Yes,
you
sir.
for the
You're welcome.
communication and the speedy service. Yeah, when we were about halfway up here, we'd hit a certain kind of bump and it would just feel like something was rough. I don't know if the springs were starting to go then. Just
A
heard
couple of them had probably been broken for a while. That's
a couple of the leaves.
Yeah.
You think?
One will break, the other one will break, then another one will break, and then it's just a domino effect.
That's what I was asking, if that's how it works. I'm wondering if they've gotten
Or
broke.
one will break halfway through, and then when I get the, you can tell when you look at it when half the crack is rusted and half the crack is fresh.
It's been that way for a while.
And these college kids that check these things in, they don't know, what
you
to
were
look
saying.
for.
They're not forensically going over.
Yeah.
Yeah. Would that make it ride rough on certain things if a couple leaves were missing?
Yeah.
That's
Because
probably what I
you have
felt.
less,
Yeah.
lift on that one half.
Sure. I bet you that's what it was. Well, it gave no warning. It made a pow sound. I'm pretty sure that sound was when the spring broke. And then I pulled it over and I was in the process of slowing it down.
Yeah.
And then it probably nicked the tire, you think?
Yeah, and then the
Probably.
spring, not being where it's supposed to, the axle rides to the rear, slices the tire.
And that's all she wrote.
That's all she wrote.
Well, we're all good now.
Yes, sir. Again, thank you.
Thank you, Nick. Appreciate
sir.
it. What was
Okay.
it,
Tanya, yes, sir.
Appreciate you guys so much.
Have a safe drive home.
Terrific.